here what we are going to learn in this whole series. We will run the core concept of frontend, in which we will cover advanced React like performance optimization, security, how to build an enterprise level React application, all those things. Same with advanced Angular with new signal stores, new signals, and then zoneless Angular, everything. Then we'll go for micro frontends, in which we'll build a project using the micro frontend architecture. Then we are going to cover the system design in frontend, in which we are going to see everything from minute details. We will start from the browser rendering pipeline to design a dashboard or a WhatsApp like system. Then we will talk about the security in the frontend, how to implement security features in any frontend applications. And then we will go for performance optimization, how to improve any frontend performance.